Fried switch makes sense. But now we'll put the headlight bulb in for the low beam.
Common problem on those.
Yeah, I know. That's why I figured that's what it was. Well, that was what, an $8 switch?
Something like that.
Nah, it's not bad. And we'll pull out that extra bolt. There we go. Now we'll take these 4 screws out. Oh, I need a screwdriver. Oh, it's laying right there on the Lincoln. On the old Lincoln. Huh, that other light may not work either. We may just go get a light bulb. I don't think they're that expensive. So, we gotta pull all these little torch bits out here. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll pull all them little 4 Phillips, 2 top, 2 bottom. Alright. Sweet. I think we'll just run to O'Reilly's and buy a bulb with that out. We'll put that on in 2 seconds. We'll try that other bulb, I guess. So unplug it. Let's try the other bulb. See if it works. Should be another high beam around here somewhere. They're hard to tug on. Take some. Let me grab it. I've got some electric cleaner here somewhere. I think up here. I throw it in there. There's the brake clean. And the little mighty back system. No. Oh, it's over here laying on the ground still. We'll blast out that connector before we put the new one in. All right. Now, let's try this bulb.
Holy shit, look at that fucker smoke.
Which one?
The lawnmower.
Oh, wow. That's smoky, like, damn. Yeah, must have dipped it on its side or something. You don't have to take the whole thing. It'll come out of that metal casing. But let's just plug it in temporarily and see if it works first. Let's plug it into the connector. Plug it in? Yeah. Alright. You ready? Pull on the headlight switch. It worked?
Yeah. It worked.
Sweet. Alright. Unplug it and we'll just put that one in. That'll work. I'll use up that bulb. I've already bought 1, 2. I bought 1, 2 bulbs, 3 bulbs. The Sylvania, see, the also Sylvania, the one I bought. Please. That'd be cool if that's a headlight switch for this car. No,
No.
more neighbor stuff. That's right, this is in Florida, isn't it?
Yeah.
I hate having to wait for stuff for these cars. Sometimes. Huh?
Oh well.
I know. That's what happens when you have a bunch of old luxury cars. What? Shelby set now. Now I can drive this to work at night. Now I got the headlights working. That'll make me happy. Up two down below, two up top. Hey, let me adjust that a little. It's kind of over this way a little, so I can back that out, bring it back over the other way. Then this is how I adjust them. That looks a little straighter. There we go. That's one of the original Wagner bulbs there. Came out of low mileage when we stole this front end off of. Yeah. Oh, that grill came out of a newer model. All right. Now I have headlights. And if I reach down and squeeze the switch, I have high beams. That's kind of cool to think about, maybe, right?
Oh yeah.
I think I'll get that other column out of that other one and rebuild it so I'll have an extra column for this thing. But I do need that one piece of trim. I do have extra headlight buckets now, but yeah. Sweet. Well, that makes the headlights good, so now we're all good. Sweet.